Hello everyone. Every day millions of people use browsers to access the internet. But did you know that Google Chrome, Brave, and Safe Exam browsers are designed for completely different jobs? One is the most important browser in the world, one focuses on privacy, and one is specially designed to secure online exams. So today, we will compare safe exam browsers, Google Chrome, and Brave to discover their strengths, weaknesses, and the situation where each browser is the best choice than other. Let's start, but before, like this video, subscribe and turn on notification bell and watch until the end, because the last advert is the best of all. Number one is the Google Chrome. Google Chrome. Let's start with this Google Chrome. What? Google Chrome. So Google Chrome is created by Google product and is the most widely used web browser because it is the fast, simple, and works with almost every website. Yes, but the main features has the fast browsing, works with many websites, had extension library like a Chrome web extension store, sync with Google accounts, and available on phones and computers. It is the best for students doing research, watching our videos, using Google services like Gmail, like Google Drive, Gemini, and many other Google services, and also using the everyday internet use. Their weakness is that it uses a lot of memory, random access memory, and also to correct user data for Google ecosystems. Yes, that is at the Google Chrome. The second one is a Brave. Yes, Brave. The next is a Brave browser focused on privacy and security. So the Brave is a Britain Chromium, the same foundation used by Chrome, but it adds privacy features by default. Main features to us block many ads and trackers automatically, and also to better for privacy protection, and also faster page loading in some cases, also to support privacy and focused browsing. This is the best for website may not. This is the best for people who care about the privacy and security, and this is the best for the who want fewer odds, no need for advertisement on your browsing, and also it is a secure everyday browsing. So its weakness is that some websites may not work perfectly because of tracker blocking, and similar extension ecosystem it is compared to the Google Chrome has a few or small extension on ecosystem compared to the Google Chrome. And the last or the third browser, it is the Safe Exam browser. What? Safe Exam browser. Safe Exam browser. Yeah. So Safe exam browser, let's talk about on it. That is unlike a Google Chrome and Brave. Safe exam browser is not designed for normal internet browsing. Yes? It is a specialized browser created for online examinations. Universities and schools, they use it to create a controlled exam environment. The main researchers about block access to unauthorized websites. Second, restricts applications during exams. Third is a control exam settings, and the last is a prevent unauthorized activities while doing exam. This is the best for online university exams, computer-based assessments, secure testing environment, job exams that work through online. But the weakness is that not suitable for everyday browsing. Also, it is a limited features compared to the normal browsers. And for example, real life test. Imagine we have the three people. People one or student one needs to research assignments, watch lessons, and use Google Docs. Google Chrome is the best choice. And student B, you want privacy while browsing the internet. So the Brave is the best choice for those three browsers. Student C is taking an online exam for B, job, university exam, secondary school exam. So the best browser is the safe exam browser is the correct best choice. So final winner by category. Best overall browser is Google Chrome. Yes, best overall is Google Chrome. Best for privacy is the browser, Brave browser. And best exam security is safe exam browser. So instead of asking which browser is the best, you can ask what is my purpose, and after know your purpose, you can have ability to know the right browser depending on the task you have. So I'm Ubalde official, digital school is creator, and follow for more videos that will help to understand technology and build useful digital skills. Yeah. Thank you. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and stay connected with Ubalde official. Bye bye. God bless you.